When you log in once and suddenly gain access to multiple enterprise systems, something has to securely prove your identity to those applications. One of the main technologies that enables this is SAML. SAML stands for Security Assertion Markup Language. It is an open standard used to exchange authentication and authorization information between systems. In a SAML environment, there are two key components: the identity provider, which authenticates the user, and the service provider, which provides the application the user wants to access. In many organizations, the identity provider is a platform such as Microsoft Entra ID or Okta. These platforms manage user identities and authentication across many applications. When a user tries to access an application, the service provider redirects the user to the identity provider. The user then signs in using their credentials, often combined with multi-factor authentication. After the user is authenticated, the identity provider generates a SAML assertion. This is a structured message that confirms the user's identity. The assertion is then sent back to the service provider. The application uses this information to determine whether the user should be granted access. The assertion can contain details such as the user's identity, authentication time, and attributes that may be used for authorization decisions. To ensure the message has not been tampered with, SAML assertions are digitally signed by the identity provider. The service provider verifies this signature before granting access. SAML is one of the core technologies behind enterprise single sign-on. It allows organizations to authenticate users securely across many connected systems. In the next video, we will explore the security risks and attack scenarios that organizations must consider when implementing SAML.